Ay, sorry po. Are you Diana Carolina Perez, Brina Perez? Ayan. So, we have deliveries po from Sir Jamari. Do you know Jamari? Yes. Sorry ma'am, we don't know that you don't speak Tagalog. So, is it okay if you receive the item po? Yes.
Come here, ma'am.
Do you have someone inside?
No.
No, okay. Can you receive po? Okay, come here, ma'am. Can you open the back of the trunk? Just pull. Good evening. Yes, what do you want me to call you? Carolina. Okay, so nice, such a nice name. And Carolina, is it okay if you stand here beside the trunk? Because all of this is a gift from your husband. Your husband is Jamari, right? Where is Jamari right now? Okay. So this is Jamari, and this is you. Let's see our pictures together. So now, ma'am, first, can we introduce ourselves so that you will know who is behind that trunk surprise? So we are from My Car Surprise, all the way from Manila, by Kim Papadora Campugao. So there is a special someone in your life who contact us to give this surprise gift to you. So do you have any idea who is that special someone of yours? Ayan, so your husband, Jormari. Ayan, so your husband is give this gift for you. All of this, so you have fresh sunflower bouquet. Please accept your fresh sunflower bouquet. And of course, you also have a handheld happy birthday balloon. This one for you. And of course, you also have a stuffed toy teddy bear given to you by your husband. Ma'am, Carolina, is it okay if I put your balloon here so that you will see it in the camera? Ayan, so we have a video here so that Jomari later will see this. Okay, let's send it the video to him. Ayan. So is it okay if we sing you happy birthday because you also have a cake given by your husband? So sweet and thoughtful. So, Carolina, is it okay if I open the cake so that you will see? Yeah. So, in the cake, there is a dedication letter written, "Happy birthday, mi amore, love, Jomari, Mr. Quest. Mr. Quest. Can you tell me what is that, Mr. Quest?
It's the name of the ship.
Okay, it's the name of the ship that you're working both together. So are you for ship together before? Can you please hold the cake so that you can sing happy birthday to Miss Carolina? So, okay. We will sing happy birthday to you. So, we will celebrate together. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Another one.
Pastor.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So yun. Wait lang. Where is the? I
Kunin mo na
cannot
lang.
see that.
Kunin mo doon sa mo. Meron dito, mama.
Meron? Where? Meron na? Wait, one moment. It's fine. First. Asan?
Ayan.
Ayun. Ayan. So,
Sige po.
let's, ayan. So, Carolina, before you blow your cake candle, what is your birthday wish?
Just ten.
Yeah.
I'm happy. I think I'm happiness.
What else?
That's it.
All okay. So if you are ready, you can blow your cake candle. Oh, so can you put first the cake? So do you have someone inside or are you alone? Okay, so you're alone. But don't worry because Sir Jo Marie is coming. Ayan, so soon, very, very soon. So, Mom, of course, Sir Jo Marie has a message to you. So, is it okay if we read the very, 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 very sweet message? By the way, ma'am, what is your, do you have love songs or musics together? No music is specific. Okay, so because Jomari, since he's very, wait lang, let me see if what can we, do you know the song? This one na lang because he is missing you. I miss you. Happy birthday, my love. This is the message from Sir Jo Marie. So, happy birthday, my love. I hope you like my surprise. I wasn't there, but I still found a way to make you happy. It's a simple but full of love. You know that my wish for you is good health and many more blessings to come to you. And I will always be here to love you and take care of you. That is the most precious thing in this world. Thank you for your support, your thoughtfulness, and your advice, your patience, and your listening ears, your kindness and your love. Thank you for being my partner, my best friend, and the most of all is thank you for being you. But I love you so much. Every year, you are my strength. Always remember that I love you every second of every minute of every hour of every day of every month and every year. And I really miss you so much. Te amo mucho. Enjoy your special day, mi amor. Love, Jo Marie, Mr. Cress. Ayun. So sweet of that long message. So now, ayan, crying si Carlina. So let me take a tissue for you to wipe your tears. Here is a tissue card. So you are deeply touched by the message of your husband. Ayan, so now, Carolina, I have a question. If ever Mr. Jo Marie is here right now in front of you because he is watching just in a video, what can you say to Jo Marie because he do this surprise to you? Message.
Thank you because I didn't expect this, especially because we are far. And thank you so much. I love you and I'll be waiting for you.
What else?
I miss you.
I miss you, I love you, and I will be waiting for you. Ayan, that's all. Ayan, so of course, it's very sweet of that. With Jo Marie surprising Carolina, her mi amore. Ayan, so Mr. Quest, is surprising you right now. So by the way, ma'am, how many years are you married?
Almost 3 years.
3 years. Ayun. So don't worry, ma'am. Of course, we from our team, I greeted you a happy, blessed birthday. So we don't have any wish other than good health, long life, and happiness. And of course, many more years and birthdays to come for you to celebrate your birthday, and of course, to join with you together with your husband, Jo Marie, soon. Yeah. So, ma'am, another request. Is it okay if we take picture of you? Last one. We would also like to take the opportunity to thank your husband, Jo Marie. Thank you so much, sir, for choosing and trusting My Car Surprise. In behalf of our team, thank you so much for choosing us to be part of this day for the birthday of Miss Carolina, your wife. Ayan. So, ma'am, Carolina, is it okay if we take you a picture so that we have memories to treasure forever? Ayan. So, smile.